Currently 7:07 and my class is not until 11. Like, open that door. Say you're wearing dress. Are you wearing clothes? Whatever. Okay. I've arrived at the Mushi's house. And thank God my prayer worked that she's at home. No, I would have started out that song. We get test. Good students. 13. So it's currently 10:13. So we're early birds going for 11 o'clock class. Yay! Look at Favor right there. She's all dressed. And yeah, we're ready. Look at Emmanuel. I had to like squat just to film her. She's forming boss lady. Because no problem. No problem. Lady. She's doing serious woman. This one is cooking our bosu by can. You're not struggling for keke. Not, I won't be vlogging right now because I'll have to do survival of the fittest. So.
One person here, one here. One person here, what's the good show?
So we'll stop here. Yeah. So, Faculty of Education Complex. Yeah. So we're walking in. This is our lecture hall where we currently have our classes. It's 10:29, so we're quite 31 minutes early or 30 minutes early for our 11 o'clock class. So the rest of our people have not yet arrived. So once they do, I guess our lecturer will come in and then our class will begin. This Akmu Madika does not want to show her face again for you all. Why? Say hi to the camera. Yes, I have not seen Thelma. Embarrassing me. I don't want to see. Just embarrassing. She's shy for the camera. Remaining two people.
Abby, they're on their way.
Thelma that came see.
Where is she?
I'm not back home. Like she went somewhere to sit down. Lost and found. Let's come on.
What do they do for? I don't fish there.
They will soon go now.
They are going to go
When our
for it now.
maybe when the lecturer come. Wetin no say they wear? Not try am, if you cut am. Gloria, wetin no say they wear? So turn man see, turn 360, you too must see this. Yes, look at Emmanuel, she's happy. To show me the nonsense that is way. Tell me to staple our Tell me, what about you? Trying to staple it. We use 2 sisters. Ah, mad no. Good student. You say wetin? So, as we have nothing to do, we are looking at our 6 Silly Willy finally say hi to the camera. I'm Boki. So we wear Boki, I go Tifa. Assignment wahala.
In fact, everything. That barrier something. Barriers. What is it? Explain. Everything they can explain. Can you take off from online?
He's confused. Why they sweat? You dey run? You dey run? Ikoko dey sleep. Ikoko dey cloud 9. Student.
I dey complete am, I know they do.
Complete.
I don't know what I don't do for.
Oh. 28 and lecture has finally arrived. So we just finished our first lecture and we're waiting for the second one, which is by 3. So we have to wait in class here for the next lecture. You know the whole thing again. You
Give me tea. You don't tire.
He said uncle.
You need to go and cool because
Oh, my baby. It's nice. I don't marry you.
Hey!
I don't pay your wife like this.
Now be mad though. Drink Coke and chill. And my lecturer has arrived for the afternoon class and we'll begin now. I can't film as usual in class. Stop!
From purely logical mathematical procedures. From purely logical mathematical procedures. For the sciences,
finally done with classes. Time to go home because I'm seriously tired. Definition of tired is written on everybody's face right now. Arize.
Come, my love.
My love.
If I meet.
Eh?
No.
You already entered, you don't know. Look at this big head. Danny, why are you squeezing your face? Everybody's tired. We're about to go. Oh, why are you running? Sunday, why are you running? You don't like what? Sunday, open your face. Sunday, so you're running from the camera. With the whistle. See, there's not that one for me, Marvel. How would there be money on ground? As it top past the Iroko tree. Go up. Yeah, you mad. Arize, woman key. Arize, woman, see them. Don't go let baby. Imagine there, your section there. Say guys, I just got back home from school. I'm so exhausted and tired. I hope you found this video interesting and fun. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe to get me to 500 subscribers on for my birthday, June 3rd. I post content Wednesdays and Saturdays by 3 p.m. sharp, so please do not miss out when I post my next content right here on YouTube for you all. So yeah, comment, share to your friends and family who find this fun, entertaining and useful to them, and I'll see you when next I post my content here on YouTube. So bye.